Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. It's Qinchengda from Shumatt, China. Our company specialized in community support. Today, I'm very honored to be here and introduce you one of our viewer Inject. Let's take a look. Natural white box and the label include the quantities one side each piece, and the product code is 0445110726. The logo, label, the packaging details, etc. We support customized service. In the inside, we have two layers. First layer avoids some damages during the transportation, and the second layer is blue VCI anti-rust bag. This one. And this is the inside product. For this injector, for this one, it's applicable for the Hyundai. In the engine for Hyundai D4EB, the OE number is Hyundai 338002780. Yep. Okay, please follow me. Let's take a look for the details. The protection cover. This is plug. When I move to this angle, you will see the inside it has triangle vaginal. The oil goes from this position and it can come out from this part. Injector body. At last will be the injector nozzle. Each of the spare parts like the injector nozzle, the control valve, solenoid valve, generally we use By the Schumatt, green power, etc. If you're in hair quality, we can use original Bosch brand. So much for this one. At last, if you want to know more, please send comments to me and Qinchengda will help you to check it out. So you can download our trackbook app to search more information. Okay, so much for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Have a good day. Bye-bye.